The tax power of attorney. What is a tax power of attorney? Such a document allows an individual, that is a principal, to use another individual or entity, that is an agent, as an accountant or tax attorney to file their taxes to the respective bodies. It is generally used for state taxes, while for federal taxes, a special form was devised by the Internal Revenue Service. It is called Power of Attorney and Declaration of Representative, and can be found on the website of the service. In such a case, the individual you authorized must be a person eligible to practice before the IRS. When might you need a tax power of attorney? This document is a useful tool when you don't have the physical or mental ability to file the taxes to the taxation authority on your own. You can hire a tax attorney, certified public accountant, or an enrolled agent to do this for you. But you can also empower your family member if they possess a certain level of trust and competence. The powers that a tax power of attorney allows to delegate include signing basic tax returns, requesting and viewing tax records, receiving and inspecting confidential tax information, signing consents, waivers, and agreements, other taxpayer acts allowed by the principal in the power of attorney. However, creating a tax power of attorney does not absolve you as a taxpayer from tax obligations. It only lets you authorize another person to handle certain tax matters on your behalf. If you think that you might lose cognitive functions in the future, better to create a durable power of attorney to make the agent lawfully act on your behalf even after your incapacitation. What are the requirements for a tax power of attorney? There are some basic requirements for such a document to be valid. It should have a written form, even though some states accept oral powers of attorney as well. The principal should be of sound mind. It should be signed by the principal. In some states, the signature of the agent is also required. Depending on the state, the document should be notarized, or witnessed, or both, with the exception for a few states that require neither notarization nor witnessing. Can a tax power of attorney be revoked? Such a document can be revoked by creating a new document that would partially or entirely revoke the powers of the agent. To revoke an IRS tax form, the same form should be resubmitted to the Internal Revenue Service with the word revoke written at the top of the document. Why is it important to create a tax power of attorney? Creating a tax power of attorney is a convenient tool to legally delegate tax filing matters to another person or entity when it is required by your personal circumstances. It allows you to get a legal representative with respective knowledge who will handle all the paperwork for you. If you want to make sure your document includes every important detail, and if you want to save some money on legal fees, use our online document builder to make a highly customized form for all of your needs.